In this video, let me show you how to adjust backup camera color tint on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings button located at the top of the screen. Then from the following view, all you need to do is select the camera. Sometimes you need to swipe to the left or to the right to find the camera section. So as I said, let's open the camera. Then you've got access to the display settings. So let me just tap it. And that's it. Here you can adjust the brightness, contrast, and also the tint. So this slider, the tint, adjusts the color balance along the red and green spectrum. If the video feed looks unnatural green or overly pink due to external light conditions like artificial street lights or warehouse garage lights, you can use the slider to calibrate the image back to natural skin tones and colors. So you can adjust this tint, as you can see right here. You should see the small difference, but there is some. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.